Yeah, Zizibo. Ticket. Deja vu. Let's go.
The way I dey flexing, my God, you don't bless me.
Oh shit.
Nobody can test me. I want to me what you for what.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be trying out this new method of installing your wig. Like, I've been seeing this method all over Instagram and also YouTube, so I was like, girl, I gotta check this out and let you guys know if it's really worth it, you know, if it works. And to do this, we're going to be needing a wig cap. Some people said that the best thing to use for this bold method of installing a wig is a pantyhose, but I don't have any pantyhose, so we're going to be using a wig cap. And as you all can see, I have two different colors of wig caps right here. I have a darker one and I have a lighter one. Like, they don't have anything in between these two colors, because like as you all can see, this right here is kind of too light for me and this right here is too dark. I'm just gonna go with this light one because with this at least I can use my foundation to, you know, I can apply my foundation on it and that will help tone it down to my actual skin color. With this particular method, it will make your wig last for probably a week, 2 weeks. So we're about to check that out. I'm going to pull it all by the side and then go in with my got to be glued. This right here, you're meant to apply it maybe 2-3 times just to make sure it has a very strong hold on your hairline. Also, like for the first one I'm applying, I'm just using it to tame my baby hairs. So I'm using it to, you know, brush my baby hair all the way to the back. And please, you guys, for people that are gonna come for me, please, I don't bleach. Like, my hand tends to go darker during the fall and winter season. So yes, I just want to clarify that. And I've noticed that whenever I have a bright nail polish, it just makes my knuckles a lot more darker. Please, I don't bleach. Let me just put that out there. And then I will dry the first layer with my blow dryer, and you want to put it on cool. So you just want to feel it and see if it's tacky, and yeah, it's tacky. So I'm going to go in with the second layer now, just the same way we applied the first layer. So once the second layer is kind of tacky, you want to go ahead and place the wig cap right in front of your hairline. You want to press the wig cap onto the glue. So the next thing now will be to go in with another layer of the got to be and just apply it onto the wig cap. And this is just going to help secure your wig like for weeks. A lot of people said they've had it on for like 2 weeks, 1 week. Some people said few days. So we're going to see. So I'm going to use my scissors and cut out all this excess wig cap. And while cutting this, you want to be very careful so you don't cut into your baby hair. It's really tricky, so you want to take your time. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a smaller scissors and start trimming all this excess wig cap showing. Okay, so I'll seriously advise, if you want to try out this method, you probably do it without your makeup, because as you all can see, like I have spots all over my forehead because the the wig cap pulled off some of my makeup. Okay, so the hair we're going to be using for today's installation is this hair from Coming by Hair, and it actually came in with this white box right here. It doesn't have anything, just, you know, it was just packaged in this white box. And I have here their Brazilian loose bob wig in 16 inches. I wanted something really, you know, short. Like, I wasn't in the mood for anything long today, so I decided to pick up the 16 inches. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead now and cut out this lace, because as you all can see, like, it came with this lace that almost every wig comes with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace from the wig. So to make this wig cap blend into my skin, I'm going to use my foundation, and I'm basically going to concentrate it on the area that is going to be showing once I put on the wig. Since the wig cap is really dry, I'm going to go in with my spray and just, you know, refresh it, so that way when I apply my wig, it's going to find something to stick to. I'm just going to go ahead now and put on the wig. Trying to create some baby hair on the front too. So here we are, you guys. I just went ahead and finished up with my makeup, and I'm really loving the style of this hair, you guys. Like, I just flipped it all the way to the side. And with this method, one thing I would say is, if you don't have the time, like if you don't have at least 2 to 3 hours to sit down and figure this method out, this is probably not going to be for you. But yeah, if you have enough time, I believe this method is really, you know, worth it, because like my frontal is laying. Like seriously, you guys, it's so like it's very dried, and you know, just looking at it like this, I know this is definitely gonna last me for probably maybe a week or so. I feel like the color is still seeping through my wig, which I don't like, but at least thank God with this style of wig, I can just throw it all by the side and I'll be able to hide the color. So probably next time I'm gonna try this method, I will try using a darker wig cap to see if there will be any difference, because I don't like the fact that, you know, you guys can still see the color of the wig cap right underneath my wig. If you're curious to see how this method works, yeah, of course you can go ahead and try it out. But for me, I just love the fact that it laid my frontal so down. But yeah, you guys, what do you think about this wig? Like, look at this wig, is really giving me some 90s vibe, and yeah, I'm really loving it. And of course, I'm going to leave every info regarding this wig and also the wig company in my description box, in case if you guys want to go check them out. But I think that is it. I'll probably wear this wig for maybe, you know, as long as it can last, and then I'll probably towards the end of this video I'll be able to give you guys an update depending on how many days or weeks I've been able to wear it. So this is day 6 of me and this hair, you guys. Like, it's been such a long time. I had a hair on my hair for almost 1 week, and then one thing I would say about this method is it's not that bad. Like, it's not that bad, you guys, because normally whenever I apply got to be, you know, on my hair, whenever I use got to be to lay my wigs, it's maybe last for probably a day or 2. But with this one right here, today is the 6th day since I fixed this wig. So let's go ahead and see how through, you know, this method is, because the main aim of this method is, people said it really helps a lot in keeping your wig, you know, on your hair for such a long time. So let's see. Oh my gosh, let me get my mirror so you all can see. Like, we're having some, look at that, we're having some lifting all around the front. So like, but it's not that bad though, I won't complain. And if I still want to repair this, I just go in with another glue and just lay it down, and it will probably last me for 1 more week. So I'm gonna go ahead now and use my spray bottle and just spray the front part of the wig so I'll be able to take it down. People always ask how easy it is to take this down, you know, especially for the fact that we use glue to lay it down. Just water is all you need. We still have this wig cap right here, so I'm gonna try and take it out. Okay, so I just saturated the cap with some water, and let's try and see if it's gonna come off. And you want to be very careful because this right here is gonna destroy your edges, you know, if you're in a rush. So just be careful. That looks nasty as hell. Jeez, my whole hair is filled with glue. I'm just gonna quickly go and wash this off. So I went ahead and washed out the gel, and that is it, you guys. Definitely let me know if you're gonna try out this method in my comment section, if it's something you would, you know, like to try out, or if you wouldn't like to try this out. And also don't forget to check out my description box for every info regarding the wig and also coming by hair. And yeah, you guys, till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.